Kumshibanta ban rakhe ka wall no tobacco de kawaju long man osnam hakalai poitrik jumang archar sau. Ikna school Saint Anthony's Lower Primary School kila ishibanta ban rakhe ka negasngi daga bayat charangkar par ki plakat ki batho quit smoking quit tobacco bat kinten pinchai pajba habak yade bat kaching ma ne jingsnem bami nauduma komu secret kwai bat kiwede ki jingbam ki jingdi ki basnew. Habe keren sekilat petai kubur headmaster ke Saint Anthony's Lower Primary School Father Rafael Tham SDB ong bai kani kesngi la jorakhe manausnem bat montausnem ki khanaru kila shibentalang khnang bakin tip halor ka jingma lada pendeng kami ki jingbam jingdi duma ki bakta ya ka kya ulagan tu ya ki kimi pa ban pikir ki kun ban yabam ki jingbam bate khnang ban yo ya kamet kapat kapakot bakya Father Rafael ong ba kajingdan ki kharkhana ba mi ki dumaru kalau kawai na ki jing ya ki namar paka kring ya ki khna bat ngop hakini ki jingbam jingdi basniu ulong ba kini ki kharkhana kim parkhat ka kot kya ki khna henrai ki parkhat tang ki pisa bar ka jing nong simet
Ni dai sebentar na po ka National Board of School Education kung ka school iyo ya ka order na ka Board of School bang haban pandang ya kene ka walk World No Tobacco Day. But this year is this World No Tobacco Day is always every year. We are supposed to have every year. But this year we feel committed that we need to tell all the children that they too they should be aware of the ill effects of tobacco, and they need to be agents to carrying this message that tobacco is bad, and that the parents too should learn to teach their children the correct thing about life. They need to feed their children not with tobacco, they need to feed the children with good food. Moreover, we need to be aware that many companies are very strong, especially in producing tobaccos. So much so that they lure their children because it is through the children that they receive big money. So from that point of view, the focus is the children. Their focus is not so much on the health of the children, their focus is to have a big money in the bank. So because of that, we join together with the board to say no to tobacco, to say no to allurement of big companies of tobacco to the children, because they don't care for the children. Because if the children get sick, the children die, they gain because the bank and the money in the bank is big enough. So therefore, they work for money, they don't work for the welfare of the children. But the school at large, they work for the welfare of the children. So therefore, we want the children to be aware and to avoid as much as possible the ill effects of tobacco, either by smoking or by consumption. Laong yaki ngilaong yaki kena lengba kidohikai bakit penkre yaki plakat. Nginum la hi ban ong la da ki le hi da ki kena ne la ki le hi yin. Sama ngilaong yaki bakit penkre ki plakat. Let's say ki don ki kena ki ba la drohi dala dehi. Kemar pini hang ni ki don ki bale da ki crayons. Ki don par ki bala shufrin ki kena ki num la ban frin rei lengba ki kwi pa let's say ki la penkre ba na ta ki plakat am ta ni kesni. Ke lor kan ni let's say kamda don kame lada ngi phale ki khna ngi phale ki ki pa dei kitu ki khna ki bale dala de ka khamna ma ko ka jing jengki ba kani kalong ka jing so thu jengki ya ka jing sni jong uduma ba dia ka jing don kam na gam ta juki ban kiar ka bala na ka jing ban na ka jing di